Welcome, luminous soul. You stand on the brink of a profound journey, a path reserved for those chosen to bring light to a world that often dwells in shadows. If you've found your way here, know this: there are no coincidences. The universe has aligned itself perfectly to guide you to this moment, and every step you've taken has led you to this pivotal point in your spiritual evolution. As you embark on this transformative voyage, remember that you are not alone. Countless others walk this path with you, each seeking to awaken their inner light and embrace their divine purpose. To solidify your spiritual connection with this vibrant community, comment 77 below and affirm your commitment to this sacred journey. Together, we will illuminate the world, one soul at a time. What if I told you that the universe has been whispering to you all along? Subtle hints, gentle nudges, and profound signs surround you, each one beckoning you toward a destiny that is uniquely yours. This is the moment to open your heart and mind and recognize the divine purpose etched into the very fabric of your being. Your spiritual gifts are not mere coincidences or quirks. They are the keys to unlocking your potential and fulfilling the mission you were sent here to complete. Have you ever felt an unexplainable pull towards certain people, places, or ideas? That's the universe speaking to you, guiding you toward your path. Embrace these signs with confidence, for they are the compass directing you toward your true calling. To recognize your divine purpose, begin by reflecting on your life's most meaningful moments. These are the times when you felt truly alive, when your spirit soared and your heart sang with joy. These experiences are not random. They are imprints of your soul's desires and echoes of your higher self's calling. Consider the passions that ignite your soul. What activities, causes, or dreams awaken a fire within you? These are not mere interests. They are the manifestations of your divine purpose, urging you to pursue them with unwavering determination. Trust in your heart's whispers, for they will lead you to the path you are meant to walk. It is vital to approach this discovery with an open heart and mind. Cast aside doubt and fear, for they are the shadows that obscure your light. Instead, embrace the truth that you are a chosen one, destined to make a profound impact on the world. Your purpose is not a burden, it is a gift to be cherished and shared. As you awaken to your divine purpose, remember that your journey is uniquely yours. Do not compare your path to others, for each soul's mission is distinct and precious. Celebrate the diversity of your gifts and honor the sacredness of your role in the grand tapestry of life. Take a moment now to affirm your commitment to this discovery. Comment 77 below to connect with fellow seekers and solidify your spiritual bond. Together, we will support one another as we embrace our divine missions and illuminate the world with our collective light. Imagine possessing a compass that guides you unfailingly through the complexities of life, a compass that points you toward truth, wisdom, and peace. This compass is your intuition, a powerful and profound force within you, waiting to be acknowledged and trusted. From the moment you drew your first breath, your intuition has been your steadfast companion, an inner voice that whispers truths and insights beyond the reach of conscious thought. Yet, in a world filled with noise and distractions, it is easy to overlook this sacred gift. Today, we reclaim its power and embrace it as our guiding light. Your intuition is not a mysterious phenomenon reserved for the mystical few. It is an inherent part of your spiritual makeup. It is the language of your soul, speaking to you through feelings, hunches, and inner knowing. When you honor your intuition, you align yourself with the wisdom of the universe, navigating life's challenges and opportunities with grace and trust. To harness the power of your intuition, you must first cultivate stillness within. In the quiet moments of solitude and reflection, your inner voice becomes clear and discernible. Silence the external chaos and tune into the whispers of your heart. Allow your intuition to guide you toward decisions that resonate with your highest self. Trust is the cornerstone of intuitive guidance. Doubt and skepticism may cloud your judgment, but remember that your intuition is never wrong. It may not always lead you down the easiest path, but it will always guide you toward your soul's growth and fulfillment. Have faith in its wisdom and let it be your North Star. Begin to notice the subtle ways your intuition communicates. It might be a gut feeling, a sudden insight, or a quiet sense of knowing. Pay attention to these cues and honor them in your daily life. As you do, you will find yourself more attuned to the flow of the universe, effortlessly navigating the journey ahead. Intuition is also a bridge to deeper spiritual understanding. It connects you to the infinite wisdom of the cosmos, allowing you to access knowledge and perspectives beyond the confines of the physical world. As you strengthen this connection, you will discover a profound sense of peace and alignment with your spiritual path. Embrace your intuition as your inner compass, a divine gift that empowers you to live authentically and purposefully. Let it guide you toward experiences that enrich your soul and bring you closer to your true essence. In doing so, you will illuminate the path not only for yourself, but for those who walk alongside you. As you journey forward, remember that you are part of a community of chosen ones, each guided by their inner compass. Together, we will navigate the mysteries of life, supporting one another as we awaken to our fullest potential. Trust in your intuition and let it lead you to a life of joy, abundance, and spiritual fulfillment. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to get swept away by the demands of the external world. But amidst the noise and chaos, there exists a sacred space within you, a sanctuary of solitude where the whispers of your soul can be heard. Solitude is not loneliness. It is a conscious choice to retreat into the depths of your being, to reconnect with your essence and recharge your spirit. In this space of stillness, you can reflect on your journey, heal old wounds, and nurture profound personal growth. As you embrace solitude, you create a haven for self-discovery and inner peace. It is here that you can release the burdens of the past, let go of limiting beliefs, and awaken to the truth of who you are. Allow yourself the gift of time alone, to listen to the wisdom that resides within and to honor the voice of your soul. In the quiet moments of solitude, you may encounter resistance and discomfort. Emotions long suppressed may rise to the surface, challenging you to confront them with compassion and grace. Embrace these moments as opportunities for healing and transformation, knowing that true growth often arises from the depths of vulnerability. Solitude also allows you to deepen your connection with the universe. In the silence of your inner sanctuary, you can attune yourself to the subtle energies that surround you, feeling the interconnectedness of all beings and the infinite wisdom of the cosmos. Here, you realize that you are a part of something greater, a magnificent tapestry of life woven with love and light. Make time each day to retreat into solitude, whether through meditation, journaling, or simply sitting in quiet contemplation. Create a sacred space within your home or venture into nature, immersing yourself in the tranquil beauty of the world around you. Let solitude be your refuge, a place of renewal and reconnection with your divine essence. As you embrace solitude, remember that you are never truly alone. Your spirit guides, angels, and the universe itself are with you, supporting and guiding you on your journey. Trust in the power of solitude to nourish your soul, awaken your inner light, and lead you closer to the truth of who you are. In the quest for spiritual awakening, doubts and fears often stand as formidable obstacles on the path. They are the shadows that threaten to dim your inner light, the whispers of insecurity that sow seeds of uncertainty in your mind. But know this, you are a spiritual warrior, armed with courage, resilience, and unwavering faith. Confront your doubts and fears with the strength of a warrior, knowing that they are not truths, but illusions created by the ego. Recognize that fear is a natural response to the unknown, a signal that you are stepping outside your comfort zone and into the realm of growth. Embrace this discomfort as a sign of transformation, a signal that you are on the right path. To overcome doubts and fears, you must first acknowledge them without judgment or resistance. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that arise, to sit with them and understand their roots. Are your fears based on past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-imposed limitations? By shining the light of awareness on them, you can begin to unravel their grip on your psyche. Next, challenge your doubts with the power of positive affirmations and self-love. Remind yourself of your inherent worth, your divine purpose, and the limitless potential that resides within you. Affirmations such as "I am worthy," "I am capable," and "I am guided by the universe" can help reprogram your subconscious mind and replace negative beliefs with empowering truths. Seek support from your spiritual community and mentors as you navigate the terrain of doubts and fears. Share your struggles openly and vulnerably, knowing that you are not alone in your journey. Allow the wisdom and encouragement of others to bolster your spirits and remind you of your inherent strength. As you face your doubts and fears head-on, remember that they are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth. Each challenge you overcome, each fear you conquer, brings you closer to the realization of your highest self. Embrace the journey with courage and perseverance, knowing that you are destined for greatness. With each step forward, you affirm your role as a spiritual warrior, a beacon of light in a world yearning for illumination. Trust in your inner strength, believe in your innate wisdom, and know that you are capable of transcending any obstacle in your path. As you face your doubts and fears with grace and resilience, you pave the way for a brighter, more empowered future. Imagine a life in perfect harmony, a symphony of balance, grace, and alignment with the universe. This is the art of living in alignment, a practice that allows you to effortlessly flow with the rhythms of life, embracing joy, abundance, and spiritual fulfillment. Living in alignment is not a destination, but a journey, a conscious choice to align your thoughts, actions, and intentions with your highest self and the universal flow of energy. It is a dance of co-creation with the cosmos, a harmonious exchange of giving and receiving that enriches your soul and uplifts those around you. To live in alignment, you must first cultivate awareness of your thoughts and beliefs. Your mind is a powerful force that shapes your reality, so it is essential to monitor the stories you tell yourself and the beliefs you hold. Are your thoughts aligned with love, abundance, and positivity, or do they stem from fear, lack, and limitation? By consciously choosing thoughts that uplift and empower you, you shift your vibration and attract higher frequencies of energy into your life. Next, align your actions with your intentions and values. Are you living in accordance with your soul's desires and divine purpose, or are you allowing external influences to dictate your choices? Take time to reflect on your goals, aspirations, and values, and ensure that your daily actions align with the vision you hold for yourself. By living authentically and intentionally, you create a life of meaning and purpose. Practice gratitude as a means of aligning with the abundant flow of the universe. Cultivate a spirit of thankfulness for the blessings, lessons, and opportunities that come your way, recognizing that each experience is a gift that contributes to your growth and evolution. Gratitude opens the heart, expands the soul, and invites more blessings into your life, creating a positive feedback loop of abundance and joy. Align your energy with the vibrations of love and compassion. Treat yourself and others with kindness, empathy, and understanding, knowing that we are all interconnected beings on a shared journey of growth and discovery. By radiating love and light into the world, you raise the collective vibration and contribute to the greater good of humanity. Living in alignment is a continuous practice, requiring mindfulness, intention, and dedication. It is a way of being that honors your divine essence, celebrates your unique gifts, and fosters a deep connection with the universe. As you align yourself with the flow of life, you become a conduit for miracles, synchronicities, and blessings beyond your wildest dreams. Embrace the art of living in alignment and watch as the universe responds in kind, showering you with love, abundance, and infinite possibilities. Remember that you are a co-creator of your reality, a master of your destiny, and a beloved child of the cosmos. Live in alignment with your highest truth and let the symphony of life unfold in perfect harmony around you. As you reach the culmination of this transformative journey, take a moment to bask in the radiance of your inner light. You have traversed the depths of your soul, confronted your doubts and fears with unwavering courage, and embraced the wisdom of your intuition as your guiding compass. Now it is time to step boldly into the truth of who you are and shine your light brightly for the world to see. You are not just a seeker, you are a beacon of hope, a catalyst for change, and a vessel of divine love. Your journey has not been easy, but it has been necessary, a sacred pilgrimage to rediscover the essence of your being and reclaim your place in the cosmic tapestry of life. Every step you've taken, every challenge you've faced, has led you to this moment of awakening and empowerment. As you stand on the threshold of your true self, remember that you are never alone. You are surrounded by a community of fellow chosen ones, each on their own path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Together, we form a tapestry of light that illuminates the world with love, compassion, and unity. By sharing your light with others, you inspire them to embrace their own inner radiance and embark on their journey of transformation. Commit to shining your light brightly in every corner of your life, whether it's through acts of kindness, words of encouragement, or simply being a beacon of positivity in a world that often feels dark. Your light is a gift to the world, a reminder of the divine spark that resides within each of us, waiting to be ignited and shared with others. As you step into your true self, remember to like, comment, and share this message with others who may be seeking hope, purpose, and transformation. Together, we can create a ripple effect of love and light that transcends boundaries and unites us in a shared journey of spiritual awakening. May you continue to walk the path of authenticity, alignment, and purpose, knowing that you are a beloved child of the universe, destined for greatness. Embrace your true self, shine your light, and inspire the world with the beauty of your soul. The journey is ongoing, but the destination is always within reach. Trust in the power of your inner light and let it guide you toward a life of profound fulfillment and spiritual abundance. With love, light, and infinite possibilities, may you continue to awaken to the truth of who you are and the limitless potential that resides within your soul. Shine on, chosen one, and illuminate the world with the brilliance of your inner light. Glowing star.